So you got a new gift for your birthday? What is it?
Yes.
Can you use words?
Yes.
Hatsune.
Katsune Miku.
Okay. Katsune Miku.
Miku.
Is there a tongue to
Is there a
take out?
flap? Yeah.
I'm worried I'm gonna break it.
It's okay.
Yeah, it looks like you just have to tear it off.
No.
It's okay.
Remember, that's just the box.
Keep going. Sorry. There you go. That's quite hard.
We need a big knife. Hmm? Oh?
Okay.
I think I got
Okay.
the yellow one. I got the cordy one.
Hold it down so I can see without getting your face. Down lower. What? That's
Oh, I
cool.
thought you would get one.
What's it called? What's its name?
It's in
Show
Korean.
them.
It's in
Japanese? Here.
the Korean.
Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna open
Pretty
it.
cool.
Mm-hmm.
She's fluffy.
Oh. That's really cool. Oh.
So cute.
She is so cute.
Can you hold her facing me with right in front of you? But down lower because I don't want to take a picture of your face. There we go. Hey! What is that?
So cute.
Is it a baby in a
Yeah.
costume? Or is it
I don't know. It's
a fox with a face, a human face?
no.
It's a costume.
It's a baby.
Oh,
Baby in
that's
a
lovely.
Peachy, that's not for you though. It's
You're like, but you showed me.
it's tiny, so you probably think that it's for you.
Awesome. I think I got enough footage then.
Since it's tiny, she thinks it's for her.
She
And
does.